You need to focus. Focus. Okay. So let's go over these real quick. First one I think's pretty easy. You have to do the order of operations, right? These are both inside the square root, so you actually have to add those together first, and that's 3. Good so far, right? Brandon, you need to turn around, face the front, get your arm off of Dylan's desk. Turn around, face the front, all the way. Better. I don't know if you notice, like students, if you guys watch, I know I mentioned it before, but students that sit sideways in the desk, especially when the board is the opposite direction, they're not learning anything. It's true in all of the classes. Kids that sit sideways in the desk, they're just chilling. They're not learning a thing. So those kids that are sitting sideways in desk, when they want to distract you, you need to be aware they're not interested in learning. Don't let them distract you. That's $10 of advice. You owe me $10 now. That's worth like a boatload with all you guys in here. That's some good money right there. Okay, Miss Beamer. Order of operations is tricky on this one. Not really, but I mean, you just have to be careful, right? That's 21. Yeah? Yeah. That makes 20. That makes 25. So this is 2 times the square root of 25. So that's 10. This whole number, this number right here is 10. So this whole thing is 10 because this is 5. Yeah? Yeah? Jesse, we're good. Okay. Let's see, next up, Buttercup. This one's really asking what times itself is 9 over 16. Now, I wouldn't normally write it like this, but this is true. You can separate them, and if that helps you, then go ahead. So 3 over 4 is equal, 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 is equal to 9/16. Good, Parth? You guys are all 3 for 3 so far? Okay. Now, this one, they're different terms, so we have to see if we can make them the same. This is 16 times 2, right? So this is the square root of 2, and then like square root of 32, well that's 16 times 2, so that's 4 root 2. Yeah? So minus 4 times the square root of 2, and this one is, well we've done that a lot, 2 times the square root of 2. Is that right? So this is equal to negative square root of 2. Because 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. Mikey, we doing good? Yeah? Yeah. Say that again? Could you do like that instead, like negative 1? Sure. All right. Now the ugly one. The stuff, I mean, Halloween's coming up. Stuff of nightmares right here. Man, this one's making me sad. So I'm looking at this, I'm thinking of the order of operations first. You have to do parentheses before you can do exponents, right? And I really hope, Pierre, I really hope that this can be simplified before I have to do the exponent, because if not, this is what I'd have to do. Because that's what cubed means, right? So I really hope that I can simplify this so I don't have to do that arithmetic, because that would be very confusing and difficult. So let's take a look at 125, because this is not something that can be simplified. But 125, isn't that 25 times 5? Yeah. So this is 5 root 5. Is that true? Yeah. So this is square root of 5 minus 5 times the square root of 5 cubed. Is that true? Yeah. So that's negative 4 times the square root of 5. Yeah. Is that true? Yeah? Okay. What? You sure, Parth? What's your question, Parth? Okay. Well, math is like dating. Sometimes you got to slow down and take your time. Coast might look clear, but you take your time, because otherwise you get your feelings hurt for doing something dumb and your friends are like, I told you so. Parth, what's your question? What is it? Okay. So check this out. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 64. We're not done yet. Okay, square root of 5 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 5. That is 5 times the square root of 5. Yes, no?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
So this is times 5 times the square root of 5. So 5, let's see, it's 0, and 2, 3. I think that's negative 320 times the square root of 5.
That's what I got. Except I didn't put the negative.
Well, then that's not what you got. You got the opposite.
Wait, I did.
Mister,
Yeah.
for 4, I got a question on 4. Will that be 0?
Wait, number 4?
Yeah.
No, it's negative 1.
Wait,
It's negative square root of 2.
the square root of 2 minus 4 square root, wouldn't that be negative 2 plus negative?
Wait, now let's say this. Let's say x equals the square root of 2, okay? So that would be x minus 4x plus 2x.
Well, x minus 4x, doesn't that equal negative 2x? Negative 3. Negative 3x? Okay. Okay.
Yep.
So are we supposed to simplify it when we, or do we just leave it?
Simplify what? This? It is simplified.
Oh, I'm trying to simplify it.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Oh, okay. I see your problem. Okay.
So can we just leave it as negative square root of 2? Instead?
Negative square root of 2, yes. Tristan, what's your question? You what? What's your question? Okay, Tristan.